it's Ken from YepAI here. In this tutorial video, we'll be walking you through how to install your YepAI chatbot onto a Webflow project. To begin, you should have already uploaded your sources and trained your YepAI chatbot via the sources and installation pages. Now, once you've successfully trained your chatbot, you can simply copy the code via the installation page, then navigate towards your Webflow project and into the designer settings. Once you're in the designer page, you can then click pages, then site settings or page settings for the individual page you want to install your chatbot on. Then scroll down to the body tag and simply paste the YepAI code into the space. Once you've done this, click Save, then Publish via the top right buttons. And now you can display your page and your YepAI chatbot should now appear in the bottom corner. That's everything. Thanks for tuning in.